out.
I think he's ready to start wearing shoes.
No! He's just gonna chew them.
How do you know?
I'll pick up the bill. Unless you order the Art of the Deal, that costs more to ship because it's heavier. I guess it's the only book with 4 chapter 11s.
Now this is the...
Hey, you wanna touch my breasts?
Yeah, sure.
Boom! You just got genital diabetes. You don't know me.
Because I know, deep down in my heart, I still love you.
Is everything okay?
Oh, you know, I think it was just a wrong number, okay? Oh, no, this is an electric candle.
Turning 30, it's just around the bend. Soon I'll be 29, and then I'll be 30. Turning 30, why does it have to end? Soon I'll be 29, and then I'll be dead.
Thank you.
She had murdered our neighbors.
I get prank phone calls. It's neighborhood kids. It's no big deal.
Kids? Are you sure? Okay.
Me, you, the same. The same. Yeah.
Then I put them on bread and eat them.
I guess you could say you had yourself a man-witch.
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah.
Randy, catch! Batter up.
I have an idea. Why don't you come with me to the topless forest? It'll be my treat. I have been staring at your gazonkas all night.
My gazongas?
Yes, I am not a lesbian, but I would love to see those babies bouncing through a bunch of pine needles.
That this intersects with the issue of...
Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God.
race.
No!
It was fun. The singing was good. I mean, I guess I just didn't think it was, like, amazing singing.
That's the effing point!
They're just regular people falling in love and singing!
And they weren't singing to a track. They were really singing on the day.
Yeah. I'd like to see you sing on the day, you dumb sack of...
Who cares? With Ethan and Damien.
Until the night she revealed herself.
Who?
An alien lady with a head shaped like a Mr. Peanut.
She initiated intercourse.
She did.
I've been ignoring my own son.
What have I become? It all began when the
Charlie, talk to me. Yeah.
No. I'm just doing a rap for my son, Scotty. Yeah, it's to a funky beat. Really? Oh, hell, I can get there right away. Let me just do my last line for the rap. Yeah. And that's why I'm your dad. Yeah.
All right, let's go on our bike ride.
Mr. and Mrs. Campbell, this is kind of a dance I came up with.
Dude, that's my dance!
No, that's not even how you do it!
Mom's home.
Bruce, I brought you some of these tiny sandwiches you love. Bruce?
Mr. Stitches! Kill her!
What?
May I speak to you in private by that big water bottle?
The water cooler?
No, by that big bottle of water.
That's a water cooler.
I don't care what it is, just meet me there.
It's been quite a long time, you remember Charles?
Of course.
Look, buddy, nothing in the closet.
She's amazing. She's unbelievable.
I mean, even when I was a teenager and you were supposed to hate your mom, you were great. You never judged me. You never pried.
Well, it was none of my business.
A little slut. No offense, Tammy, but drink my blood.
What? Good Lord! Because I have one. Oh, I just had her.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you very much. I love my real baby. Isn't she beautiful?
Hey, Rachel. No. Everything is okay. Don't worry. I'm having a really good time with OJ. Mwah. Oh, I'll just turn this off.
Yeah, that's...
It's gonna take a second for the sound to get to him. You know, everything travels much. See, it's like any other high school.
Dr. Connolly, how does a man give birth?
Well, the plan was always been a scheduled C-section.
2 weeks from today?
But the plan has changed.
It has?
My team and I now believe that due to the fragility of the artificial womb, the baby must be delivered naturally through Mr. Watson's urethra.
What?
Are you Brad Clayton?
Yeah.
This is your son.
Survey says drama.
Hi. Holy!
Watson!